Now, we will start with the next part of chapter 2. You can see I have written the numbers. Now, if I say every number can be shown in the form of line, is it true? Yes, you can see. Yeah. Okay. This is in form of line, where every number can be shown in form of line. What about triangle? Can every number be shown in form of triangle? No, this is not possible. This is also not possible. Possible. Something maybe possible. Not possible actually. This is 3, so not possible. 4. Again, you can see not possible. So this is also not possible. 6. Possible. Yes. So many numbers can be, all the numbers can be shown in form of line, but not all the numbers can be shown in form of triangle. Then what about square? Square also, some numbers may be, some numbers may not. Not. This is possible, not possible, not possible. Okay. Similarly, when we talk about rectangle, some numbers are possible, some numbers are again not possible. Like this is not possible, not possible, not possible, not possible. Okay. So, there is a table in your book. Here, I'll show you the table which I have written it for you all. You will complete this table by pausing the video. You can see the table here. You will complete this table. You can see number 4, rectangle, it is written yes. Please cut and write no, because rectangle is not possible. Okay, rectangle is not possible for 4 dots. Clear? So you will complete it, and then there is try these regarding this table in page 42, which we will do in the book itself. Okay, so let's do the try these now. Here we will start the try these now. It is in page 42. Which numbers can be shown only as a line? So we have seen only 2. Okay, then question number 3, which numbers which can be shown as squares? So 4, 9, 16 according to the table. Which numbers can be shown as rectangle? So it can be 6, 8, 10, 12. Then fourth one, write down the first 7 numbers that can be arranged as triangles. So it was 3, 6, 10, 15, 28 and 36. You can make the dots like this. 1, this is 3, then 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this you will come to know. So how many you have to write? First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 6. Okay. So this completes question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will do question number 5. Now, starting with question number 5, I'll read the question for you. The question says, some numbers can be shown by 2 rectangles. For example, they have given 3 into 4 or 2 into 6. Okay, like for example for 12. So, we have to give at least 5 other such examples. So, I have written here already 2 into 6. Let's write it something else. Like for example, Some other example. 4 twos are. Yeah, let's take 4 twos are. Okay, so this is some number, so we have to show this 15, then 18, then 10, then 7 twos are 14, and 4 twos are 8. So we have to show them in form of two rectangles. So how? 3 5s are, so this is one form, and 5 3s are. Okay, then 3 6 are. And 6 3s are. Here 5 2s are. And 2 5s are. बताओ, लोग स्टोर रूम में भी काम नहीं कर रहे थे. Then 7 2s are. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11 12 13 14. And 2 7s are. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, then 4 2s are. And here, this completes your question number 5. You will make it in the book itself, children. Okay, इसके लिए आप कॉपी नहीं यूज करेंगे. बुक में जगह है, छोटे छोटे डॉट्स बनाने हैं. You are going to do like this.